Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for DIY electrical help. Now that we have covered installing an outlet, let's talk about how you install a switched outlet. First, turn the breaker off. Next, you will find a ground wire, your neutral wire, your hot wire, and your switched wire in the outlet box. The red wire is the wire in your switch box that is connected to the light switch. On a duplex receptacle, you want one receptacle to be constant hot while you want the other receptacle to be switched. Most times you find that the top receptacle is the switched one. You hook the grounds and neutrals up the same way you would a regular outlet. You leave the tab in between the neutral screw terminals alone. It doesn't matter which screw you use to tighten down the neutral wire since they are both connected by this tab. When you go to the hot side, you want to break this tab off. You can use your needle nose pliers to do this. Now that this tab is broken, it does matter which wire goes on which screw because the screws aren't connected anymore. The top screw is for the top receptacle and the bottom screw is for the bottom receptacle. Put the black wire around the bottom screw to make that receptacle constant hot. Put the red wire around the top screw to make that the switched receptacle. And that's it. Now you have just wired a switched outlet. For more help, visit thevirtualelectrician.com to schedule a virtual electrician.